I'm reviewing this bike, and thank you so much to the seller for sending this to me. So this bike has so many great features. It is great value for the cost in my opinion. So I'll give you a closer look at everything that is included with it. This is the S200 model. This came packaged very well and it was super simple to put together. It took maybe about 10-15 minutes to put it together. It does have a lot of great features that I'm excited to show you all. So let's take a closer look. So starting off, I want to show you all the wheels on the bottom. So this is really easy to move around. So you can see it takes minimal effort. If you are wanting to use this just as a simple exercise bike, or if you're wanting to get a lot of cardio in, then this could be a great option for you. So you can see that it has the red details there, which I really like with it. And then it's just a super simple and clean design. So you can change the height of the seat by this lever here. So all you have to do is turn it like this to loosen it. And then you can raise the seat or lower the seat. You can also change the height of the arms. And you'll just lift up or push down. So here's what the screen looks like whenever it is hooked up. So you can do the time, speed, distance, calories burned, odometer, and then pulse. So if you do pulse, then you have these right here on both sides. You do have a spot where you can put your phone or a remote if you are watching TV. So I like that extra feature with it. It does have the armrests that go up a little bit. So that's great for when you are holding on. And then here is the front of it. You can also change the intensity of your bike riding by turning this knob here. So whenever you do turn this, it will push this either closer, making it harder to pedal, or up, making it easier to pedal. So depending on what types of shoes that you have on, or if you have multiple different people using this, then you can change the strap to fit your foot right. So if you're looking for a good exercise bike where you can customize the height of the chair, the height of the armrest, and then you can also change the intensity levels, then I would definitely recommend checking out this brand. And I hope that you enjoy just as much as I do.